That looks like a monster.
Monster! Monster!
Oh, hello.
Monster?
Quick, Maya, go. Turn on the light.
Roar!
Cool monster.
It's a pandafferfly.
A pandafferfly?
A cross between a panda, a giraffe, and a butterfly.
Well, I'd like to meet her someday. Right, snuggle up.
I think I left Benji on the couch.
I'll grab him from downstairs. Here we go. One Benji.
Mum, are monsters real?
Only the ones in your imagination. Like the brilliant pandafferfly.
That looks like a monster.
Sammy go can't sleep. Too many noises in the night and... Oh, hello.
Maya! Monster! Monster?
Quick, Maya, go. Turn on the light.
Huh? I can't see any monsters.
But he's sure he saw a...
Monster!
But there's no such thing as monsters.
It can't be a monster, can it? Ah! Monster! There's a monster in there.
There's no such thing as monsters, but if there was, they'd be no match for Mama and Dada Go.
Okay. Mama, you take the front. I've got you covered. Ready?
Mama and Dadago are on monster patrol.
All clear, Dada Go.
Fee you. Now, this teepee is officially a monster-free zone.
But the monster comes out in the dark. Big! Scary!
Big and scary?
Where?
Dada, the monster is in here. Look! There it is!
Aha!
That's just the shadow of the cuddly toy lion. See?
Oh!
Watch this. Maya, shine your torch on the sheet.
Greetings, Earthlings!
We come from space. We are shadow aliens.
When you block the light, it creates a shadow. See if you can guess what this is. I like carrots and I hop, hop, hop.
Bunny!
Hello, Sammy. I'm Shadow Bunny.
My turn. I think I know what that is. It's a shadow monster. My monster. My funny little monster is a creature full of hearts. It has 21 of them, all protected by its shell. It cries a lot. Happy tears, though, happy pink tears. They cry with joy when they see a little kitten sneezing.
After dinner, the snail dogs love playtime. They blast themselves straight up into the air and then float back down to the ground using their ears as parachutes. I wish we had parachutes for ears.
My funny little monster can grow bigger than my granddad's shed. Whoops!
If we use our imagination, I think you could even be as big as our house. Huh?
That's right, Sammy. You can do it.
Roar! Sammy Yard Monster. Not just any yard monster, Sammy. A giant yard monster. Roar!
Go get her, Sammy.
Oh no, giant monster Sammy. Don't get me. Maya be big monster. Me? It's been so long since I've been a giant monster. I hope I can remember how.
Maya, Sammy, look what I've got for you. I thought you kids might like to play with these empty boxes.
Yay! Sammy, play boxes.
What will they do with all those boxes?
Let's build a box city.
A fine job from our yard monsters, stacking all those boxes.
It almost looks like a street, Sammy. Hang on, I have an idea.
What could it be?
If we draw windows and people, it'll look like a real city.
Oh, I can't wait to see how this is all going to turn out.
Great work, Sammy. Now we have a little city with big buildings. Uh-oh, Giant Monster Sammy is back again. Roar! This is Maya Go for the Maya Go News Channel. Roar! A giant monster is about to knock over all the box buildings. Roar! There goes one box building. Roar! Two box buildings. Roar! Three box buildings. Giant Monster Sammy really knows how to wreck a city.
We are reporting another Gizmonster sighting. It was more terrible and more awful and horribler. Also, I have an even better photo.
Again? Why does the Gizmonster only appear for a humble bluff?
'Cause she's lucky. I really must have a closer look at this photo.
Whoa! It's chasing me! It's chasing me!
The Gizmonster? Where is it?
Just behind me. I'm sure it'll be here soon. In the meantime, who wants more merch?
Oh, yes, please.
Yes, please.
Humble bluff? I think you're bluffing.
I agree, Alva. This troll's actions do not add up.
Oh, be right back!
Mo, I feel bad for all these oolies thinking the Gizmonster's real. I think we need to find the truth.
Great, can we go home now?
Soon!
Do you even know what soon means?
It means you need to fly the Gizmonster over where the oolies can see it, but not too close.
Why not? I did an amazing job. The Gizmonster is my masterpiece.
Meh, I've seen better.
Huh?
Whoa! It's chasing me! And I've got fresh merch. But first, it's chasing me!
Is it now?
Yes, it is!
What do you think, Mo?
I just need one good picture.
Follow that Gizmonster.
All right! You better get this right, Glum. Ooh!
See? No Gizmonster.
Yes, there is. I mean... Woohoo! The Gizmonster! That way! Woo! Yikes! Oh, no! That's it. I'm done.
Oh, no! Where did it go?
Oh. Can we go now? And do not say soon.
Where's your troll spirit? There are still Gizbits to be made.
Mo, we need to get to the bottom of this monster mystery.
I've been data crunching, and I think the truth is in the photos.
Oh no! That's a remote control! And that would be a troll holding that remote control.
Glump, to be precise.
Wait! Merch! Don't you want more monster merch?
Oh.
Mo, now's our chance.
Of course, Alva. Huh? Oh.
I knew it! The Giz Monster is a hoax.
Looks to me like it's a drone. Come on. Oh no!
Huh?
We're in the
Patch!
Thank you!
We feel so silly for believing the Giz Monster was real.
It doesn't get more relaxing than this. Ah! I'm not sure that was a monster.
Yeah, look, it's made of hay. What did you do to my Scarecrow? Sorry, Nitrogen. We didn't realize.
We thought it was an atom-eating monster.
This'll take all morning to fix. Who's going to protect my prized strawberry patch while I repair it? We'll be your Scarecrow. Right, Phosphorus?
Yeah! It's the least we can do.
All right. If you two can keep my patch safe until I get back, you can have all the strawberries you like.
Those crows don't stand a chance.
Look alive, Phosphorus. It's Scarecrow time!
Let's suit up, Soapbird.
What? Your leg. There. My arm. Ahem.
Hey! Beak off the berry, buddy.
Okay, that's it. Shoot!
Hey! Where'd he go?
Huh? What?
This crow doesn't scare easy, huh?
And there's something in the water. It's dark and shiny and has 1, 2, 3 humps.
It couldn't be. Can I have a look? Skippering starfish. It is.
What?
Sullivan, I think we've just found the Loch Monster.
The Loch Monster? What is that?
Stories have been told for years that a monster lives in this loch, but no one has ever found it. Until now. Let's go! We could be the first to discover it. It could be named after us. Benji's Bubbling Beast.
The Sullivan Sea Monster.
This was where we spotted it.
Do you think we're in the right place? I can't see anything. The water's really dark.
Well, that's lochs for you. When it rains in the mountains up there, the water flows downhill and into here, taking all the dirt with it. That's what makes the water so murky. Jumping jellyfish.
I saw something. Slithery.
I think this might be it. Over there! Ah, false alarm. That's just a river otter. And her pups.
She's teaching them how to swim.
And how to hold their breath. Did you know they can swim underwater for 8 whole minutes? I wouldn't challenge them to a diving competition if I were you. Now, where is that monster?
Benji? Benji? Benji! I think I found the Loch monster.
Where? Where is it? Well, what do you know? It was 3 river otters all along.